Actually, I wasn't supposed to make a vlog today because I thought it would be a boring riding day. But now it seems that it's really adventurous. So I might as well make a vlog. So hope you enjoy this video, seeing the spiders and stuff. But I have to admit, this is absolutely amazing. Ni hao. Ni hao. We big road. Maybe. Okay, amazing. Shishi. Very nice gentleman in rural China. Okay, I'm ready. 1, 2. Stop. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whew. One, two. Yeah, it's good. All is good. Decide today. There is huge spider webs actually, and they look horrible. Let's keep our visor down and just continue. Welcome to China, my friends. Oh, so big webs and so horrible looking spiders. Oof. Okay. Yeah, they are big. Those spiders were green, you know, like light green, like poison is. Put your visor down. Spiders. Oh, you have one there. You have one there. I killed it. I'm so sorry, Spider.
I'm not sorry, Spider.
You are green, like poison. Please keep your everything on. Do you see any spiders on my setup? Oh, proper adventure. Immortal Adventures. Ni hao. He wants to give us a pipe, maybe. Tummy good.
Ni hao.
Moto.
Oh, shishi.
Water.
That's actually very
Shishi.
nice. Shishi. Oh.
Đừng đi qua. Hả? Đừng. Ui shit.
You can take it.
Yêu.
Shishi.
Shishi.
Mà sợ.
Shishi.
Shishi.
Mà sợ.
Amazing people. Absolutely amazing people. Again, one more time, we had to turn back and ride the same road all over again. I don't mind, because it's so beautiful here. Okay, so we are risking it again and still trying to use this trail. Yeah, it seems that this road also won't take us to the place we want to. Soft, what the fuck? Oh,
I recognize that too.
can you put a rock?
The problem is fuel is leaking after I fuel.
Just before you, I almost dropped. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Are you ready? 1, 2.
Ja, ich hoffe, da läuft's.
It's hot. Yeah, another dead end. Ni hao.
你们俩在选个？
That's extremely wide. Ni hao. We found our way back to the road. Only 65 kilometers to our destination. Again, a victory. Children will play.
Now whose stupid idea was this? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! 大家鼓励阿爹，祝你生日快乐。Happy birthday to you. Hey.
Also, Colin has something to say to you.
Alles Gute zum Geburtstag, Nelly. Ich wünsche dir einen schönen Tag, genieß den Tag.
Joyeux anniversaire, écoute, là nous sommes dans les rues de Jiliang et puis bah écoute, je te souhaite un très joyeux anniversaire pour tes 28 ans. Voilà, en tout cas écoute, je t'embrasse et je te souhaite un très joyeux anniversaire.
Hyvää syntymäpäivää, Nelli.
Still only me.
It's like I don't exist.
Oh, I'm sorry.